Hello, my name is Elena.
Hello, my name is Colton.
Hello, my name is Braylon.
Hello, my name is Aubrey. And today is Friday, December 5th, 2025, and this is what's happening at Brooklyn STEM Academy.
From the office, the first and third grade holiday spectacular is Tuesday, December 9th at 6 p.m. Performing students should arrive at 5:30 p.m. Mr. Perry has asked that performers should wear red and green or Christmas-themed clothing if possible. Yearbooks are now $20. You are available for purchase through January the 31st.
Pre-K learned all about gingerbread. They used magnetic chips to help with letter recognition and gingerbread men to help with counting.
Kindergarten elves themselves to spread Christmas cheer. Check out their display in the kindergarten hallway. They also elfed a special person. See if you could find her.
Second grade enjoyed Thanksgiving activities last week. They worked on making turkeys, pumpkin pickers, and acorn snacks. They hoped everyone had a great holiday weekend and are looking forward to Christmas.
The third grade students are working on saving a tiger that has fallen into a deep part of its enclosure. At the zoo, they are using their manual of simple machines and magnets to lift the tiger out of its area safely.
Hey guys, it's Miss Lux. If you've been following along with Wilma, my classroom's adopted calf this school year, I just wanted to let you guys know that due to unforeseen circumstances that we are not going to be able to track Wilma's growth anymore. Unfortunately, it was due to circumstances out of our control, but Discover Dairy and Farmer Abby have sent us a new calf that we'll be able to track for the remainder of the school year. Her name is Betty. I have her up outside of my door already if you want to follow along with her. But they did go ahead and send us her newborn pictures, her 1 month pictures, and then her 2 month pictures. So we'll finish out the school year with Betty and follow along with her growth.
Here's an update about the kindergarten cows. Betty's pictures from newborn 1 month and 2 months.
Miss Yates has another special report from the library.
Hi my friends, if you hear your name called, please head to the library to get an award from Miss Yates because you are the top 2 readers in your class in Beanstack. In Miss Underhill's class, it is Lily C. and Kyler O. In Miss Lux's class, it is Maylee G. and Collins C. In Miss Harriman's class, it is Annie P. and Nolan N. In Miss Neff's class, it is Brooke F. and Marley R. In Miss Meyer's class, it is Tatum M. and Liam F. In Miss Dragonette's class, it is Matthew F. and Noel B. In Miss Anamnit's class, it is Emmett S. and Layla S. In Miss Rollins' class, it is Carter H. and Corinne D. In Miss Stripe's class, it is Cottrell C. and Mac S. In Miss Goldman's class, it is Samuel D. and Liam B. In Miss White's class, it is Micah D. and Emmett T. Thank you so much for continuing to read and making our school a great place.
After school activities, robotics students are really showing some progress with their modifications to their robots. They are registered for 3 competitions this season. We hope them great things.
From the PTO, the coin wars are upon us. Bring in your silver coins to boost your class to victory, or bring in your pennies to sabotage your opponents. The winning classes will get a pizza party. May the 4th be with you.
Here's a message from Miss Tier.
We've got one positive office referral for this week, and it goes to Penn Street in Miss Lux's classroom. She always comes to school ready to learn and has been working so hard. Excellent job. This is also our November Positivity Wagon Dog Awards. One student is chosen from each grade level. So we have Kyler in pre-K, Christopher in kindergarten, Tatum in first grade, Emmett in second grade, Elliot in third grade, and Aubrey in fourth grade. Excellent job to all of you for working so hard. All of you, including Pensary, make sure you come up for your books after announcements.
Joke of the week. What's an elf's favorite musical genre?
What is an elf's favorite musical genre?
Rap music.
Thank you for watching What's Happening at Brooklyn STEM Academy. And see you next week.
Bye.